Yo, what's good, everybody? Back again with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Dow Jones and the future predictions of the market, in my opinion. These are all just a guess and what I think is going to happen in the market, even though nobody really knows if it's going to be up, down, sideways, right, or left. I mean, it's not going to go left, but you know what I mean. So first, I want to just talk about where we currently are at right now and what has happened. So the Dow Jones hit a high of 29,000 around in February. Then with the coronavirus, it dropped around 36%. Then it's almost basically recovered. It's gone up all the way up to like 48% recovery, and now it's settled around at like 40%. And today's date is June 22nd. And now the Dow is currently still down 11.3%. I see this election this year bringing a lot more uncertainties, with people being everything up in the air with mail-in ballots and all that. I think the different candidates are going to be offering different things, which is going to cause the market to be a little up and down. But I think the overall trend of the market up until the election in November will probably be up. And once the election begins, I think that it's going to be very choppy. I think it's going to be a lot of volatility until the president is named. And once that happens, I think it's going to be down a little bit, but eventually I think the Dow is going to hit newer highs. And within the next couple of 2-3 years of the next president, I think we're going to hit all-time highs and just keep hitting higher highs. And I think the bulls are going to prevail in this market. So that's what my prediction is. Please let me know what you think about my predictions and what you think will happen with the upcoming election and all the coronavirus second waves and stuff like that. I think all of these factors will contribute to more and more market volatility, but I think if you're looking to invest in the long term, I think it's a great time to go in, since the Dow is still technically down 11%. So this is a great time to get in for the long term, and the market has never lost ever in a 10-year span. I wanted to reintroduce this topic because you can see this always in a 10-year span. You can see that the market has been up. So I think that if you're looking to invest in the long term, this is the time. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave me any questions. Also, please smash the like button. I just want to know that you guys are enjoying these videos. Please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Daniel Cohen. And I have left my Robinhood referral link that gives you a stock valued up to $500 for free if you use my link to sign up. So please sign up, and hope you guys have a great rest of your days. Thank you for watching.